Hey everybody, I'm Falon Billups. I am owner and stylist of Virtuous Beauty Salon located in Columbus, Ohio at 4632 East Main Street. I'm just coming to you guys really quick today because I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Gloss Genius, which is a booking software that I use. Clients, this one's not for you. Sit this out today. This is specifically for my entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, lash techs, braiders, barbers, anyone who needs a booking software and you've been out there searching and you're not sure where to go. So, to be honest with you, I have been a hairstylist for 20 plus years now. I've tried the gamut of salon software. I've used Salon Iris, I've used Acuity, I've used Booksy, Bookly, Google Calendars. I've used a lot of softwares. And yes, there are some good ones out there, but Gloss Genius specifically has impressed me. So I just wanted to share with you a few of the things that I really enjoy about it. The first one that may not be big to everyone else, but I absolutely love it. And this is not a feature that I have seen on any of the other softwares that I've used. They send you out daily text messages to like encourage you, and I love that. For those of us who know that sometimes your day can be rough, it can be hard. As a hairstylist in particular, I can only speak to that because that's what I do. Sometimes we have really hard days, but at the end of the day, to get that text message like, hey, you're killing it, I'm encouraging you, you're doing great, keep going, sometimes that lights up my entire day. And again, that is not a feature that I've seen on any other software. So if you're a person like me, sometimes you need that extra push or boost. I love that feature. So now getting into some of the more serious features. Number one thing that was important for me as well is ease of use. You guys probably know, as I know, today we live in a microwave society. Everyone wants things done quickly, easily, without difficulty, hence easily. But anyways, um the feedback that I have gotten from my clients in particular is that it is extremely easy to use, easy to navigate, and the actual interface looks pretty. It looks aesthetically pleasing. It's very nice. It's customizable. A lot of them are. I've used other ones, but I've used other ones and haven't gotten any feedback. Clients are actually telling me with Gloss Genius, they love it. It's super simple, super easy. It gives them everything. So I absolutely love it for that. The other thing, they Gloss Genius listens to the requests that I send in. So I can be sometimes picky about the things that I want. So I did reach out to them and I said, hey, there are some features that I noticed that you guys don't have, or do you have that up and coming? And within a day of me reaching out to them, they emailed me and said, we would actually love to include you in our program where we're testing these features out. And I thought that was so awesome. And it wasn't even just with that feature. There were a couple other features that I asked about, and they reached back immediately and let me know that those are coming, that they're planning to implement. Excuse me. And thank you for the feedback, because they will definitely work on it. So I love a company who actually treats you as a human being and not another number or just someone who's paying. So if you're interested in a company who will legitimately listen to the things you feel you need and implement them, Gloss Genius is another great option for that. So one of the other things that they have directly within the software already is payment options. Klarna, Affirm. That is a huge, huge advantage for me as a stylist to offer that, for clients to be able to break down these larger payments into smaller chunks. And they actually see this from within the software. When they're going to book it, they can see it broken down the payment plan, how much they would be paying, and everything. And when they check out, it will automatically take them to the page to do whatever it is they need to do with the payment plan they choose. So, love it for that. Absolutely. It's great to have any additional options, especially if you have services that are a little pricier, to have that as an option. Gloss Genius. Waitlist. So they also have a waitlist feature, which I absolutely love because being a newer salon up and coming, I have been bartering and collaborating with other artists. So this is a great feature to use for those people who you may not have an exact date and time, but they can go on the wait list so that their information is in your system and you can move them to a date that works for you. So this feature is an absolute must have for up and coming or for people who are busy. If you have a certain amount of time blocked off that you want people to book in, but they want to see if possibly you can get them in. And for stylists like myself in particular, I do longer services. I do hair extensions, I do braids, I do crochet. Those take several hours. So, as you guys know, if someone cancels at the last minute, it can be difficult to get someone in. So, having that waitlist feature just allows you to easily transition someone into your day and not have those long gaps, because I pride myself on being time conscious. So I don't schedule more than one person at a time. I don't think that's fair. So the waitlist feature has been great for me, and I'm sure it'll be great for you too. Packages. So other companies do have packages, but how Gloss Genius has set up their platform, it is so easy. It takes me 30 seconds to create a package. Like literally, I click one or two buttons and that package is created. It's created so quick. Sometimes we don't think ahead of time about packages that we may need or ways that we can use this feature. I actually use it for tracking purposes. So, for example, I just learned that as a hairstylist, when I'm marketing or if I offer someone a promotion, that I can write that off on my taxes. So I have been using packages as a feature to track the different areas in which I am discounting, I guess, so that at the end of the year, I can pull a report and give it to my accountant. So that's taken care of. So that's just another tip for you guys too. Uh, but last but certainly not least, gift cards. They offer gift cards, which is just another way to market yourself, but it is a great feature to have and really put out there and use. I really would like to dive deeper into the gift cards and figure out other ways that I can use them, because I love figuring out workarounds and other ways that I can use different features. And this is definitely not all inclusive, but it's just a couple of things that I wanted to pull out to share with you guys today. So what I can tell you is, with my experience with other softwares, this company is newer, but I definitely feel like when they get all of their features in, they're going to surpass so many of these other booking companies that are out there. So the best thing to do is to jump on them while their prices are low, because all of the features they currently offer, they have some phenomenal prices for what they offer. So please jump on board. If you would like to save on your first month, you're welcome to use my code that will be in the description and come join the Gloss Genius family. Bye, guys.